Hi, thanks for joining me. I want to talk about 4 things not to do with your new DJI Mic Mini. There are different kits out there. However, the kit that I decided to purchase, it comes with the pouch, a nice convenient carrying pouch that everything fits into. It comes with 2 transmitters, of which I am also using one, which I probably should not have touched. But anyways, it comes with 1 receiver, which is on my camera, and the charging case, which is there. The nice thing about the charging case is you can actually fit everything into it. So that is very convenient. You actually don't have to use the case if you do not want to. It also comes with wind muffs, and I'll actually just show you 2, silver and the black. The silver is better in heavy wind situations. And it comes with a 3.5 millimeter cable for attaching the receiver to your camera, which is on my camera, of course. And it also comes with a USB cable for charging my case. So that's what you're getting with that is the kit that I have. Number 1 of the 4 things not to do with your new DJI Mic Mini is do not leave it sitting there waiting to be used. We are normally comfortable with whatever we may have been using before, whether it is your camera or some other audio system on your phone. And sometimes when we get something new, we have to step out of our comfort zone to use it. It is a lot easier to keep using what you are using and say you will eventually use your new DJI Mic Mini. But just get in there, get started. Do not be intimidated, do not put it off. Just start using it. We'll learn as you go. The second thing not to do with your new DJI Mic Mini is you probably watched a video or some sort of advertisement, something like that, and that is how you learned about the DJI Mic Mini. Then you finally make the decision that I am going to purchase it. You purchase it and decide, I'll just wing it. And the thing is that the decision to purchase might not have been immediately after you watched a few videos on how it works. So there might have been some time. Do not decide to just wing it when you film that next video, because it is not that it is hard to use, but as with everything, sometimes there are little details and things we can do. And if we follow the instructions or perhaps watch another video to just refresh when it comes, chances are good it will prevent us filming a video and making some mistakes and perhaps having to refilm the video. Yeah. So if you watched something and learned about it and then you waited for it to arrive, or you waited before you purchased it, when you purchase it and you are going to use and you are planning to begin using it, watch a refresh video. You know, why not? The third thing not to do with your DJI Mic Mini is that if you have set everything up, the camera's ready, transmitters attached, you have the mic on, you are ready to go, and for some reason you have to change your shirt, blouse, hoodie, whatever the case may be, and then refilm the video. So you take off, do that switch and come back, get the video done. Remember to take the mic off of the old or the first blouse or shirt and put it on the new one, because I did not. And I took my blouse off in one location and came back and was filming. Now, the good thing about the DJI Mic Mini I learned is that its reception, the distance is pretty high. So I was still able to hear myself. However, it was not as clear as it would have been if the mic had been on me instead of still attached to my blouse, which was back there somewhere. Yeah. So just if you make some changes, make sure the mic is follows the change. But just, you know. The fourth thing I would not do with my new DJI Mic Mini is I would not look at it as a chore to learn. Something, oh, I have to learn how to use this so I can film my videos. Everything is a learning experience, and we might as well enjoy it while we are doing it. I assume you're doing videos because you like to do videos. So why not make each part of the process while you are figuring it out make it fun, enjoyable. It does not have to be looked at as a chore. It is an opportunity to learn how to use the mic, how to use it outside with the wind muff, how to use it if two people are there. How do you connect that? It is actually interesting. It's fun. It should be fun. So try not to look at it as a labor, but more an interesting experiment, right? This video is not sponsored. I decided to put a video out there that might save you from making these 4 mistakes that I made as I've been just trying to figure out this process. I hope this helps. Thanks for joining me, and see you soon.